मोहल्ले हैं, किसी के पास घर नहीं है, किसी के पास खाने भी कुछ नहीं है, किसी के पास जॉब भी नहीं है। लोग पैदल चल अपना लाजा में आ रहे थे। मुझे ये देखकर दुख लगा। जून मंथ में प्रिंसिपल ने इसको लीओपल कर लिया और लंच क्लासेस में मुझे तो झूठा झटका लगा। मुझे छुट्टियां खत्म, मस्ती खत्म। मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड भी था क्योंकि ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में न्यू टीचर फ्रेंड्स को मैं ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में देख सकता हूँ। ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में पढ़ाई हुआ, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में इंग्लिश मैम और इंग्लिश मैम, ईवीएस मैम, मैथ मैम इतना अच्छे से समझा के हमको होमवर्क करने देती थी। उड़िया और हिंदी मैम इतना समझा के मैं उड़िया और हिंदी भी बोल सकता हूँ। गेम मैम हमको पहले तो योगा करते थे, अभी गेम करते हैं। डांस मैम को खूब रचाती थी। म्यूजिक सर हमको म्यूजिक सिखाते थे। ड्राइंग सर हमको ड्राइंग सिखाते थे। प्रिंसिपल देखती थी बच्चे क्लास करने नहीं। हमारा ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में एक्स्ट्रा एक्टिविटी भी होता है। सुबह में उठता हूँ, वॉकिंग करता हूँ लेके मास्क पहन के और सैनिटाइजर लेके जाता हूँ। मैं सोशल डिस्टेंस करता हूँ, तभी आता हूँ, सूर्य नमस्कार, अनुलोम विलोम करता हूँ, गर्म पानी पीता हूँ, काढ़ा पीता हूँ, हल्दी वाला दूध पीता हूँ। 7:30 से 9:30 हमारा ऑनलाइन क्लासेस चलता है। कब ये कोरोना जाएगा, कब मैं स्कूल खोलेगा, कब मैं दोस्तों के साथ पढ़ाई करूँगा, कब मस्ती करूँगा, कब न्यूज़ टीचर के साथ भेंट करूँगा, कजिन ब्रदर सिस्टर्स के साथ भेंट करूँगा, कब कब कब। धन्यवाद द्रौपदी, तुम हो।
नमस्कार, ମୁଁ ନା ଜାନକୀ ପଟ୍ଟନାୟକ। ମୁଁ ପ୍ରଥମ ଶ୍ରେଣୀରେ ପଢ଼େ। ମୋ ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟ ନା ବଚ୍ଚି ଜଗବନ୍ଧୁ ଇଂରାଜୀ ମାଧ୍ୟମ ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟ 2। ମୁଁ ଆଜି ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ ସୁନ୍ଦର କାହାଣୀ ଶୁଣାଇବାକୁ ଯାଉଛି। କାହାଣୀଟା ଧର୍ମପଦ। ସମୁଦ୍ର ଉପକୂଳ ରାଜ୍ୟ ଥିଲା ଗୋଟେ। ରାଜ୍ୟର ରାଜା ଥିଲେ ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଳା ନରସିଂହ ଦେବ। ସୂର୍ଯ୍ୟକୁ ଉପାସନା କରୁଥିଲେ। ତାଙ୍କ ରାଜ୍ୟରେ ଗୋଟେ ସୂର୍ଯ୍ୟ ମନ୍ଦିର ତିଆରି କରିବାକୁ ନିଷ୍ପତ୍ତି ନେଲେ। 1200 ବଢ଼େଇକୁ ଡାକିକି କାମ ତିଆରି କରିବା ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଲା। ବଢ଼େଇ ମାନଙ୍କର ମୁଖ୍ୟର ନାଁ ଥିଲା ବିଶୁ ମହାରଣା। କାମ ଚାଲୁଥିଲା, ବହୁତ ବର୍ଷ ବିତିଗଲା, ସବୁ କାମ ହେଇଯାଇଥିଲା। ଗୋଟେ ବର୍ଷ କିନ୍ତୁ ମନ୍ଦିରର ଦଧି ନଉଟି ବସେଇ ନଥିଲେ ଧର୍ମପଦ ଜାଣି ପାରିଲା ପଚାଶ କି ବାପା ଏ ଦୁଃଖର କଣ କାରଣ ବିଶୁମାରଣ କହିଲେ କି କାଲି ରାତି ପାଇଲେ ମନ୍ଦିର ପ୍ରତିଷ୍ଠା ରାଜା କହିଛନ୍ତି କି ଯଦି କାଲି ରାତି ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ସେଇ ମନ୍ଦିରର ପ୍ରତିନଉଟି ହେଇନି ଯଦି ହବନି ସେଇଟାରେ ତାଙ୍କ ମୁଣ୍ଡ କାଟାଯିବ ୟା ଶୁଣିକି ଧର୍ମପଦ କହିଲା କି ବାପା ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ମୁଁ କରିବି କିଛିଟା ବଢ଼େଇକୁ ନେଇକି ମନ୍ଦିର ଉପରକୁ ଚଢ଼ିଲା ଅଧିନଉଟି ବସେଇ ଦେଲା ବାପା ବି ଖୁସି ହେଇଗଲେ କଥା ସରି ନଥିଲା ତାପରେ ବଢ଼େଇ ମାନେ କଥା ହେଲେ କି ଯଦି କାଲି ସକାଳୁ ଜାଣିବେ କି 1200 ବଢ଼େଇ କରିପାରିଲେନି ଯୋଉଟା ସେଇଟା ଗୋଟେ 5 ବର୍ଷ 12 ବର୍ଷର ପିଲା କରିଦେଲା ସିଏ ଆମର ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ମଣ୍ଡ କାଟିବେ ଧର୍ମପଦ କହିଲା କି 1200 ବଢ଼େଇ ଜୀବନ ଆଗରେ ମୋ ଜୀବନ ତୁଚ୍ଛ ସିଏ ରାତିରେ ବାପାଙ୍କର ଆଶୀର୍ବାଦ ନେଇକି ମନ୍ଦିର ଉପରକୁ ଚଢ଼ିକି ପୋଖରୀକୁ ସମୁଦ୍ରକୁ ଗଲା
or cream or white in color. Dhotis are an unstitched piece of clothing that provides pattern or measurements. Maharashtrians have the same
villages. Nandini Satpathy was known as the Iron Lady of Odisha for her contribution of Oriental literature. She had received Sahitya Bharati Samman Award in 1998. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, good morning to all. Myself Pratyush Kumar Pradhan. I feel very pleased to speak few words about famous places of Maharashtra. There are so many famous places of Maharashtra, but I am going to describe 4 selected famous places. And the first one is Gateway of India. You all can see that. This is the Gateway of India. The Gateway of India is an art monument built in the early 20th century in the city of Mumbai in the Indian state of Maharashtra. The structure is a triple arch made of basalt which is 26 meters high. It has been called as a symbol of conquest and colonization. The gateway is also the monument from where the last British troops left India in 1948 following India's independence. It also counts amongst the top tourist attractions in Mumbai and frequented by travelers all year long. And the second one is Ajanta and Ellora Caves. You all can see that. This is the Ajanta Ellora Caves. The Ajanta Ellora Caves are nearly 30 records Buddhist caves monuments which date from the 2nd century BCE. The caves includes paintings and rock cut sculptures described as among the finest surviving. Examples of ancient Indians are particularly expressive paintings to present emotions through gesture, pose, and form. And the third one is Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. You all can see that this is the Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. The Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus is formerly known as Victoria Terminus in Mumbai, Maharashtra. It is a fine example of architecture in India. The terminal was built over 10 years from starting in 1878. Its remarkable stone dome, turrets, pointed arches, and eccentric ground plan are close to the traditional Indian palace architecture. And the fourth one is Lohagarh Fort, and its another name is Iron Fort. Lohagarh Fort or Iron Fort is one of the many big forts situated close to the hill station Lonavala. Lohagarh rises to an elevation of 1033 meters above the sea level. The Lohagarh was under the Maratha Empire for the majority of the time under the 5 years of Mughal Empire. The Lohagarh Fort has also have caves on its south side facing Logada-Vadi. Thank you.
Hello, a very good morning to all. This is Dhrityuman Das of Standard 4 from Bakshi Jagabandhu English Medium School 2. Today I am standing before you to tell the famous places of our state Odisha. Let's start with the famous place Puri. Puri is believed to be the final resting place of Lord Vishnu as Jagannath. It is a place which has a unique blend of both religious significance and the beauty of the beach. The ancient temple of Lord Jagannath is also famous for its Mahaprasad and annual Ratha Jatra. Puri is one of the holiest Chardham sites of India. Next come to our Konark temple. Konark temple is also known as the Sun temple. It is famous for its impressive Kalinga architecture appearance of 100 feet high, chariot with immense of wheels and horses. It is also part of the UNESCO World Heritage Site and it is featured and listed in 7 wonders of India. Next come to our Chilika. Chilika is the largest coastal lagoon of India. This is also largest brackish water lake in the world. It is largest wintering ground for the migratory of birds on the Indian subcontinent. It has been listed in UNESCO World Heritage Site. Next come to Simulbag wild elephant, and Indian bison with some beautiful and higher waterfall of Odisha. Next, come to Bhitarkanika. India's second largest mangrove forest and Bhitarkanika National Park. This park is home to the endangered saltwater crocodile, Indian python, king cobra, and Alip ridley turtle. As we know, Odisha is our famous for its history, culture, and national park, and mostly its delicious food. I feel proud for my native place, Odisha. I am thanking you for listening me. I conclude my speech. Thank you.
Morning everybody, I am Vidya Today I am going to speak about Kalagauram Mohandas. Kalagauram Mohandas was a great barrister. He was born on 28th April 1848 at Satyabama Quarter. His father name was Chaudhary Raghunatha and his mother name was Parvati Devi. In the
upon a time there lived three friends, a giraffe, a horse, and a cow. They all played, eat, and had fun. They thought that they were very beautiful. One day, an elephant lost his way and reached the place where the three friends lived. He was very sad and lonely. Then he saw the three friends. He was happy to see them. He asked, "Hi friends, can you make me your friend?" They said, "We don't make friends with fat and ugly animals." The elephant was very sad and he found a place for him near the place where the three friends lived. One day, a dinosaur came to the three friends and wanted to play with them. They said they can't play with him because he was also looking very ugly. Then the dinosaur get very angry and attacked at the cow first. Then the elephant came quickly and killed the dinosaur and told, "Don't you dare to attack my friends." Then the dinosaur gets scared and ran away. Then the friends understood that that was their mistake and said sorry to the elephant. Then the four friends remained forever. The moral is, friends do not discriminate anyone based on their color, looks, or shape. Be friends with everyone. The more you become friends, the more you can be happy. Thank you and have a nice day.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम बैडमिंटन पंडा है। आज मैं आपको एक कहानी सुनाने के लिए जा रहा हूँ। ये कहानी शिवाजी महाराज के ऊपर है। एक दिन शिवाजी महाराज शिकार में गए थे और अचानक से एक पत्थर उनके सिर में लग गया और वो बहुत गुस्सा हो गए और वो इधर उधर ढूंढने लगे कौन उनके ऊपर पत्थर डाले। अचानक से एक बुढ़िया आई और वो बोली, "माफ कर दो, मैं आम तोड़ रही थी और गलती से आप लोगों का पत्थर गिर गया।" और शिवाजी महाराज ने सोचा, पेट को जितना भी तंग करो वो हमेशा मीठा कर देता है और हम इंसान को भी वैसे होना चाहिए। कोई जितना भी तंग करे हमको गुस्सा नहीं होना चाहिए। हमें ये बात को हमेशा याद रखना चाहिए। नमस्ते।
Good evening, one and all present over here. I am Srikriti Sambhavna Padi of Standard 4A. I am going to tell a speech of my given topic. My topic is Maharashtrian saris and green bangles. The Maharashtrian saris wear sari and called Pathani saris. They are the symbol of actuality and defined lines. They also wear green bangles. Green bangles are considered a symbol of auspiciousness and friendly. The hence only married women wear this. A standout in traditional infinity of women, the green bangles find a home in almost every the Maharashtrian women. Thank you very much and have a nice day.
ଶୁଣ, जननी जन्मभूमीचं स्वर्गादपि गरिଅଛି। जननी ମାନେ ମା, जन्मभूमि ମାନେ ଆମ ମାତୃଭୂମି, ଏ ଦୁଇଟା ଏକ ସ୍ୱର୍ଗଠାରୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ହେଲା। जननी जन्मभूमिच स्वर्गादपि गरिଅଛି। এই ଜନ୍ମଭୂମିର ସ୍ୱାଧୀନତା ପାଇଁ, ଏହାର ସୁରକ୍ଷା ପାଇଁ ଆମର ହଜାର ହଜାର ସୈନିକ ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ବଳି ପଡ଼ୁଛନ୍ତି। এই দেশর জন্মভূমির মাতৃভূমির সুরক্ষা পাই আমার অনেক জীবন অনেক সৈন্য বহু সৈন্য মানে তাঁর আত্মবলি দেউছেন। কেউ মানে আত্মবলি দেউছেন? বীর আমার বীর সৈনিক মানে আত্মবলি দেউছেন। ସ୍ୱାଧୀନତା ସମୟରେ
ସ୍ୱାଧୀନତା ସମୟରେ
ଯେତେବେଳେ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନତା ଚାଲିଥିଲା ସେହି ସମୟରେ ଆମ ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ଗୋଟିଏ ପିଲା ତା ନାଁ ହେଉଛି ବାଜିରାଉତ। ସେ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନତା ସଂଗ୍ରାମରେ ଅଂଶଗ୍ରହଣ କରିଥିଲା ପ୍ରଜା ଆନ୍ଦୋଳନରେ ହେଲା। ସିଏ ନଈ ପଟା ଜଗିଥିଲା। ଇଂରେଜମାନଙ୍କୁ ସିଏ ଡଙ୍ଗା ପାରି ନ କରିବାରୁ ଇଂରେଜମାନଙ୍କ ଗୁଳି ଚୁଟରେ ବାଜିରାଉତ ନଈ ପଟାରେ ଟଳି ପଡ଼ିଥିଲା ହେଲା। ସିଏ 12 ବର୍ଷର ପିଲା, ତାର ମଧ୍ୟ ଦେଶଭକ୍ତି କେତେ ଥିଲା। କିଏ ନଈ ପଟାରେ ଟଳି ପଡ଼ିଥିଲା, କିଏ ହେଲା। ସେହିପରି 1962 ମସିହା ଠାରୁ ଆଜି ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଆମର ଅନେକ ଯୁଦ୍ଧ ହୋଇଛି। ପାକିସ୍ତାନ ସହିତ, ଚୀନ ସହିତ ଅନେକ ଥର ପାକିସ୍ତାନ ସହିତ ଯୁଦ୍ଧ ହୋଇଛି ଏବଂ ଏହି ଯୁଦ୍ଧରେ ଅନେକ ସୈନିକ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ଜୀବନ ବଳି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି। 1971 ମସିହାରେ ବାଂଲାଦେଶକୁ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ବା ବାଂଲାଦେଶ ଲିବରେସନ ସମୟରେ ଆମ ପାକିସ୍ତାନ ସହିତ ଆମେ ଯୁଦ୍ଧ କରିଛୁ। ଏହି ଯୁଦ୍ଧ ସମୟରେ ତ ଜେଜେ କଥା ଢାକାରେ ଇଂରେଜ ଆମର ପାକିସ୍ତାନ ମାନଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଯୁଦ୍ଧ ହେଇଥିଲା ହେଲା। ପାକିସ୍ତାନ ମାନଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଢାକାରେ ଯୁଦ୍ଧରେ କିଏ ଜଏନ୍ କରିଥିଲା? ଭେରି ଗୁଡ୍। ସେହି ଦିନ ଠାରୁ ଆଜି ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଅନେକ ଯୁଦ୍ଧ ହେଇଛି। କାର୍ଗିଲ ଯୁଦ୍ଧ ହେଇଛି, ଏବେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଚାଇନା ସହିତ ଯୁଦ୍ଧ ହେଉଛି, ପାକିସ୍ତାନ ସହିତ ଯୁଦ୍ଧ ହେଉଛି। ଏହି ଯୁଦ୍ଧରେ ଆମର ଅନେକ ସୈନ୍ୟ ଜୀବନକୁ ବଳି ପଡ଼ୁଛନ୍ତି। ସେମାନଙ୍କ ପରିବାର ଅନାଥ ହେଇଯାଉଛନ୍ତି। ତାଙ୍କ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ପିଲାମାନେ ଖାଇବା ମଧ୍ୟ ପାଉନାହାନ୍ତି। ସରକାର ଯାହା ଦେଉଛନ୍ତି ଯଥେଷ୍ଟ ନୁହେଁ ହେଲା। କିନ୍ତୁ ଆମେ କ'ଣ କରୁଛେ? ଆମେ ତାଙ୍କ କିଛି କରିପାରୁଛେ ନାହିଁ। ତଥାପି ଆମେ ନୀରବରେ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ବସି ତାଙ୍କ ସ୍ମୃତି ମନେ ରଖିବା ଏବଂ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଆଖିରୁ ଦୁଇ ଟୋପା ଲୁହ ବଳେଇ ପାରିବା ହେଲା। ଏହି ପରିପ୍ରେକ୍ଷୀରେ ଏହି ସୈନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କ ଆତ୍ମାର ସଦ୍ଗତି ପାଇଁ ତାଙ୍କ ସମ୍ମାନାର୍ଥରେ ଆମର ବିଶିଷ୍ଟ ଗାୟିକା ଭାରତରତ୍ନ ଲତା ମଙ୍ଗେଶକର ଗୋଟେ ଗୀତ ଗାଇଥିଲେ ହେଲା। ସେ ଗୀତ ସେ କେବେ ଗାଇଥିଲେ? 1962 ମସିହା ପଣ୍ଡିତ ନେହେରୁଙ୍କ ସାମ୍ନାରେ କିଏ ଗୀତ ଗାଇଥିଲା? ଲତାଜୀ। ସେଇ ଗୀତଟି ଆଜି ତୁ ଗାଇଥିଲୁ ହେଲା। ସେଇ ଗୀତଟି ହେଲା କ'ଣ? Good. जो शहीद
हुई है उनकी जरा
याद कर,
जरा याद करो
कुर्बानी।
कुर्बानी। Thank you. Have a nice day.
जय हिंद।
जय हिंद। जय हिंद। जय हिंद। जय हिंद। जय हिंद। जय हिंद। Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hey guys, my name is Aditya Prasad Padi from class 4 section B. Today I am going to speak some lines about some best places of Odisha. If you are in Odisha, you must visit these places. Number 1, Puri. When we talk about Odisha, the first place come to our mind is Puri, probably known as Jagannath Puri. It is known for the Jagannath temple. It is one of the 4 dhams of Hindu and beautiful beaches. It is the place where religion meets nature. Number 2, Bhubaneswar. It is the capital of Odisha, known as City of Temples. It also has old rock edicts called as Khandagiri and Udaygiri. Number 3, Chilika Lake. Chilika Lake is a brackish water lagoon spread over the Puri Khorda Ganjam district of Odisha state on the east coast of India of the mouth of the Daya river and flowing into the Bay of Bengal. It is the India's largest and world's second largest coastal lagoon. You can find rivers, dolphins and other animals and birds too. It's paradise for bird watchers and nature lovers. Number 4, Konark. It is the site of the 13th century Sun Temple, also known as the Black Pagoda, built in the black granite during reign of the Narasimha-deva. The temple is a World Heritage Site. The temple is now mostly in ruins and a collection of sculpture is housed in the Sun Temple Museum, which is run by the Archaeological Survey of India. Konark is also home to an annual dance festival called Konark Dance Festival held every December. It's devoted to classical Indian dance forms including the traditional classical dance of Odisha,
धावता रहा. मृगकंडे कस्तुरी आहे, फुलांचा गंध आहे. सागरकंडे अथांगता आहे, मानेकंड काळे आहे. असा महपूर्ण रड नका, असाराला जनपाना एका सूच्य कर्मचार्य त्यांनी टाकला आहे. उपनन्न करा तया सोयाला मग उगवेला तुमच्या आयुक्तात नवीन कितीची घेऊन अंधारा समय रात्र संपूर्ण समेरी किरणांनी सजन मंगल रेचनचे उगवेला एका नवीन सकाळचे उत्साह धैर्यानं आयुना. Now I like to read this poem in Hindi. यह पूरी पंक्ति का अर्थ यह है कि जीवन बहुत सुंदर है, भले ही आपके साथ कोई ना हो. सब कुछ तूफान में बह क्यों ना जाए, इसलिए रोना मत, दुखी मत होना, क्योंकि कुछ अलग मेरे लिए खास नहीं है. तीरथ के पास कस्तूरी है, फूल के खुशबू है, समुद्र में अन्नदाता है. मेरे पास क्या है, इसीलिए रोना मत. एक सूरज जो अंधेरे को चलाता है, वो भी आप में छिपा है. चुनौती है कि सूरज जब यह आपके जीवन में एक नए क्षितिज में विकसित होगा, अंधेरी रात में के बाद सुनहरी किरणों से सजी हर दिन एक नई सुबह उगती है, क्योंकि लक्ष्य उत्साह से भरा है. जीवन बहुत सुंदर है, भले ही आपके साथ कोई भी ना हो, इसे अकेले भी हंसते फिरते. I will say thanks for listening. Thank you.
ନଈକୂଳରେ ଗୋଟେ ବଡ଼ ବରଗଛ ଥିଲା. ବରଗଛକୁ ଗୋଟେ ଚଢ଼େଇଟେ ବସା କରିଥିଲା.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Jagdishan Mishra. I study in Plain Nursery Section B. Now I'm going to tell the story. The name of my story is Pipudi of Chari. ଗୋଟେ ନଈକୂଳରେ ଗୋଟେ ବରଗଛଟେ ଥିଲା. ସେ ବରଗଛରେ ଗୋଟେ ଚଢ଼େଇଟେ ରହୁଥିଲା. ଦିନର ଗୋଟେ ଚଢ଼େଇ ଦେଖିଲା ନଈକୂଳରେ ଫୁଟେ ଭାସି ବସିକି ଯାଉଛି. ଚଢ଼େଇ ମାନେ ଡରି ଆସିଲା. ଚଢ଼େଇ ସେ ବରଗଛରେ ଶୁଖିଲା ପତ୍ର ଛିଣ୍ଡେଇକି ଚୁଲି ଉପରେ ପକେଇଦେଲା. ସେ ପତ୍ର ଉପରେ Sambalpuri sarees included Sonpuri, Paspali, Bomkai, Barapali, Babda sarees, which are in high demand. Most of them have been named after their places of origin. They are popularly known as Pata. हमें समझते ओडिया भाषी विश्व प्रसिद्ध